toilet overflow. And basically, the toilet that overflowed. You actually can see all of the moisture that actually started to come through the walls. It penetrated straight through, going inside. You see all of it, the whole thing. Always make sure that we definitely have an air scrubber when we got so many feces and things. Not one of our more so worst ones, but it's fecal matter, definitely. And we definitely want to make sure that we're safe. We want to have our proper PPE when we're doing this. We definitely want that air scrubber to go in. We're getting to start the dehumidification process to go along with it. The ventilator